Morning and Assalamu alaikum students. Today the date is 16 September 2020 and the day is Wednesday. We are in the science class 7 as we have completed the last chapter number 4, which was about the mixture. The worksheet and the review questions of the previous chapter is going to be sent in today's lecture. Print out the file and do the practice of objective on the worksheet and learn the review questions. Chapter number 6. Now we are going to start next chapter number 6, which is about the particle move of matter. The particle model of matter. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Everything which has mass and occupies space is known as matter. Highlight करें इस point को. Living things and non-living things are examples of matter. Both living things, in the living things we have the examples of the birds, plants, animals and human beings also, while in the non-living things we have the number of examples. Like if we look at the classroom, we have the desk, chairs, table, fan, dice. All these are the non-living things. They are also occupy the space and have a specific volume, and in this way they are also considered as the matter. What makes up matter? The ancient Greek philosopher Democritus hypothesized that all matter is made up of tiny discrete particles too small to be seen. He named these individual particles atoms from the Greek word atmos, which means indivisible. ठीक है, डेमोक्रेटस के अकॉर्डिंग जो मैटर होते हैं वो बहुत ही छोटे पार्टिकल्स से मिलकर बने होते हैं. छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स को हम लोग नाम देते हैं एटम्स का. ठीक है, एटम जो है वो हमारा ग्रीक वर्ड है. हाईलाइट करें इस पॉइंट को. और ये इसको हम लोग नाम देते हैं इंडिविजिबल. ऐसे जिसको हम लोग फर्दर तोड़ नहीं सकते, जो फर्दर डिवाइड नहीं हो सकते, उसको हम लोग इंडिविजिबल का नाम देते हैं. And other ancient Greek philosopher Aristotle hypothesized that matter has a continuous composition which can always be broken down into smaller and smaller pieces. There is another definition which is opposite to the Greek philosopher Aristotle. He said that actually the matter can be broken down, while the Democritus said that the matter cannot be broken down. Who was right, Democritus or Aristotle? Let us look at two phenomena, Brownian motion and diffusion, which will provide us with evidence as such as to which hypothesis was correct. Brownian motion. In 1827, a Scottish botanist, Robert Brown, used a microscope to observe some pollen grains in water. He found that the pollen grains were moving about in the water haphazardly. This haphazard movement was called Brownian movement after Robert Brown. The irregular movement, in the simple words, the irregular movement which can be observed in the form of the zigzag as the figure 6.3 is known as the Brownian movement. ठीक है, ऐसी मूवमेंट जो इरेगुलर होती है, जिसकी कोई पैटर्न नहीं होता, कोई डायरेक्शन नहीं होती, बल्कि वो इरेगुलर होती है, उसको हम लोग Brownian movement का नाम देते हैं. What could have caused a pollen grains in the water to move about continuously in a random manner? About 80 years after Robert Brown's observation, and other scientists, Albert Einstein explained that the random motion of the pollen grains in water was caused by tiny water particles which were moving in constant and random motion, bombarding or hitting the pollen grains in the different directions. Clear? Just because of the tiny particles which are present in the water helps them to move in the different direction, and their direction is not regular, it is an irregular direction. Hence, Brownian motion can be explained by thinking of matter as being made up of tiny discrete particles which are moving constantly and randomly. Try it out. Your teacher will show you website to view an animation of Brownian motion. It will be soon observed in the class when you will rejoin the class. Diffusion. How is it possible to smell the fragrance of perfume when someone separates the perfume some distance away from you? And ठीक है, क्यों कह रहे हैं कि किस तरह से आप ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं कि आप रूम में एंटर हो. सपोज इफ़ योर ब्रदर और इफ़ योर एनी रिलेटिव इज़ हैव अ परफ्यूम, तो उसने परफ्यूम लगाया हुआ है, लेकिन अगर वो रूम में नहीं है, लेकिन आप फिर भी उसकी स्मेल को इनहेल कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, स्मेल कर सकते हैं आप परफ्यूम को. तो वो कह रहा है कि ये ऐसा क्यों है कि हम किस तरह से, अगर कोई भी बंदा एक साइड पर खड़ा होता है, वो परफ्यूम लगा रहा होता है, तो हम किस तरह से उसको पूरे रूम में उसकी स्मेल को फील कर सकते हैं. The phenomena can be explained If we think of matter as being made up of tiny discrete particles which are in constant and random motion, you can smell perfume from across a room because the particles which make up a perfume have traveled to you from a region where they are more concentrated. इसके यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल दी गई एग्जाम्पल्स के थ्रू हम लोग इस पॉइंट को अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं. द टाइनी पार्टिकल्स ऑफ लिक्विड एंड गैसेज आर मूव रैंडमली इन नो फिक्स्ड डायरेक्शन. ओवर टाइम द रैंडम मूवमेंट विल रिजल्ट इन द पार्टिकल्स spreading out from a region of high concentration to a region of lower concentration. This phenomena is called diffusion. ठीक है. अब वो कह रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे आप ये देखें कि अगर आपको स्टार पे सपोज दैट इट्स अ टेस्ट ट्यूब वन विच इज़ ऑन द एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट साइड वेर टाइम इज़ इक्वल टू ज़ीरो. यहाँ पर वो कह रहा है कि कोई भी हमने इंक ली है, कुछ भी हमने डाई ले लें, कोई भी पानी के अंदर डाला है, लेकिन आप ये देख सकते हैं द कंसनट्रेशन ऑफ द डाई इज़ मोर एट द बॉटम. ठीक है, वो ज़्यादातर नीचे बॉटम पर उसकी ज़्यादा आपको डार्क नज़र आ रहा है. बट विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम वो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता 30 मिनट्स लेटर यू कैन ऑब्जर्व द कलर विच इज़ द क्वाइट पिंक कलर एंड एट द लास्ट आफ्टर 24 hours all the particles of the dye will be spread out and uniformly distributed all over the liquid and it will be now seen as purple. ठीक है, तो ये कह रहे हैं जस्ट बिकॉज इट इज़ नोन एज द डिफ्यूजन व्हेन the dye from the more concentrated or more amount is traveled to the low concentrated or the upper side, it is known as diffusion. To observe the diffusion of gases, invert a gas jar of air over a gas jar of a brown bromine gas as shown below. Remove the gas jar covers. Bromine is poisonous and should be handled with care. This process should be done in a fume cupboard. After some time, both gas jars appear brown as the brown bromine gas diffuses into the gas jar containing air. At the same time, the air in the upper gas jar also diffuses into the lower gas jar containing bromine. The bromine particles have moved from a region of higher concentration to a region of the lower concentration. It was the second example of the diffusion. We have already discussed that all the color will be the brown just because of the diffusion, because the particle will move from the more concentrated area to the low concentrated area. Development of the particle model of matter. Since early scientists could not directly observe the tiny discrete particles that make up matter, they had to make inference about their existence from other observation. Brownian motion and diffusion provide scientists with the necessary evidence. Today it is possible to observe the tiny particles that make up matter using advanced instruments such as the scanning tunneling microscope. ठीक है, टनलिंग माइक्रोस्कोप होती है विच कैन बी ऑब्जर्व फॉर टू ऑब्जर्व अ वेरी माइन्यूट इन अ रेगुलर डायरेक्शन. This provide clear evidence that Democritus' hypothesis that matter is made up of discrete particles was correct. What do you think what happened if any evidence had shown that Democritus' hypothesis was false? ठीक है, वो कह रहा है जी ये टनलिंग माइक्रोस्कोप है विच गिव्स अस द इमेज एट अ स्पेसिफिक एंगल. ठीक है, ये स्पेसिफिक एंगल पे हमें इमेज देती है और ये हमें बताती है कि जो इसके एविडेंस से हमें ये पता लगा है कि जो मैटर है इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ द एटम एंड द एटम कैन नॉट बी डिवाइडेड, इट इज़ इनडिविजिबल. सो इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट the atoms are indivisible and it cannot be further divided. So the concept of the Democritus was right. Scanning tunneling microscope. The scanning tunneling microscope is an advanced microscope that allows us to see the tiny discrete particles in the matter. The scanning tunneling microscope has a sharp pointed probe. Probe is an angle that acts like a sensitive finger. When the probe runs back and forth over a surface, it detects the roughness of the surface very accurately and hence allow the position of the particles in the matter to be visualized. The probe can apply forces to the individual particles and move them to desired location. ठीक है, एक स्पेसिफिक एंगल पे ये होती है और एक स्पेसिफिक एंगल पर ही मूव करती है. इमेज ऑफ द कॉपर सरफेस टेकन विद STM. You can observe that the very fine and the clear sharp image of the copper. Based on evidence from observation and investigation, scientists have accepted that the particle model of matter, also called a particulate model of matter, as an explanation of the nature of matter. The particle model of matter states that matter is made up of discrete particles. The small discrete particles in matter are in a constant and random motion. The development of the particle model of the matter is summarized below. There are some scientists which have their contribution in the development of the particle model. There are the Democritus, Aristotle, John Dalton, Robert Brown, and Albert Einstein. Democritus was a Greek philosopher, and according to him, hypothesized that all matter is made up of tiny discrete particles called atoms, which are too small to be seen. Aristotle said that the matter has a continuous composition that can be broken down into the smaller and smaller pieces. This concept was wrong, as we have already discussed. John Dalton said that it made up of small discrete particles which are like little solid balls. Robert Brown said that with a microscope that some dead pollen grains suspended in water were constantly moving about randomly in all directions. This is known as Brownian movement. And at last we have the Albert Einstein explained that the dead pollen grains were moving because they were being bombarded by the moving water particles. A model helps us to explain and understand natural phenomena. Model can be justified by new evidence gathered with the improvement in technology. For example, the invention of the skin tunneling microscope provides support to the particle model of metal. An existing model can be revised or replaced another model if the new model is found to be better in explaining the phenomena. ठीक है जी, जैसे जैसे तरक्की करते जा रहे हैं एक मॉडल दूसरे मॉडल की जगह ले लेगा अगर उसका एविडेंस बिल्कुल ठीक होगा तो with the passage of time and with the advancement in the technology, new models can be seen. The scientific theories and models are works in progress. Scientists are constantly coming up with the new theories and helps to explain and understand nature. Very often it requires the work of many scientists over many years to come up with the feasible theory and model. At last we have the key points. The particle model of matter states that matter is made up of small discrete particles which are in constant and random motion. Brownian motion is the random movement of small particles such as pollen grains or smoke particles in a liquid or a gas. Diffusion is the movement of particles from a region of high concentration to a region of lower concentration. Brownian motion and diffusion provides evidence for the existence of matter as a tiny discrete particle which are in constant and random motion. All these points have been discussed already. If you find any difficulty in the points, you can highlight the point and can ask to read. It was our overall today's lectures. Thank you.